Category 1, proudly sponsored by Civil Train Queensland. Civil Train Queensland is a nationally certified registered training organisation and the training division of CCF. They have been delivering training to the civil construction industry for more than 10 years and are focused on ensuring the industry is skilled for the future. Civil Train's clients benefit from the fact that they know civil construction training. It's all they do. They offer authentic industry training and believe in training by the industry for the industry. That is why they work directly with industry to develop and deliver the best training possible, resulting in training that is relevant, efficient and cost-effective. Civil Train's training delivery extends from Certificate 2, 3 and 4 in civil construction to the delivery of short course options such as, but not limited to, plant assessments, traffic courses, working at heights, confined spaces and others. Based in regions all over Queensland, Civil Train will come to you for practical and flexible on-the-job training or at any of their training centres. Civil Train's dedication to the industry and those who work within it make them the educator of choice for civil construction companies and their employees. Category 1, Abergeldy Complex Infrastructure, Mundubbera Raw Water Intake Station. In the local Aboriginal language, the name Mundubbera means the meeting place of the waters and refers to the junction of the Burnett, Auburn and Boyne rivers just upstream. Historical data shows that the area is prone to flooding. North Burnett Regional Council awarded the reconstruction work of the raw water intake to Abergeldy Complex Infrastructure. Abergeldy developed project-specific management plans to address safety, quality and environmental factors and appointed a full project team consisting of a project manager, site supervisor and a project engineer to ensure protocols were fully implemented. Construction of the new jetty structure required a temporary platform to access the pile locations. The concept for a sheet pile cofferdam was created to provide this. The cofferdam was constructed in a series of cells that extended into the river. The design allows adjustment of the pump level to ensure council has access to the highest raw water quality possible. Category 1, Boulder Wall Constructions and CSR Limited, Brendale Connect North Stage 3. Brendale Connect is a multi-stage commercial development just north of the Brisbane CBD. Stage 3 is the northern stage of the development adjacent to the Brendale wetlands. For this stage, Boulder Wall Constructions was contracted to design and construct a structural rock retaining wall for CSR Limited. Due to inclement weather, the project was afforded a 3-month extension and was due to finish in July 2015. However, the company was able to avoid delay and finished by March by implementing a programming strategy that allowed for the continuation of construction during severe weather. The major consideration impacting the design of the wall was the need for a heavier duty solution that departed from the standard wall design. In collaboration with engineering consultants, Boulder Wall were able to design a unique and sustainable buttress system that prevented the need for formal concrete footings or costly board piers, thus providing significant time and cost savings to the client. Category 1, Concrib, Varsity Heights Stage 2, Reedy Creek, Geogrid Reinforced Crib Retaining Wall. Varsity Heights is an elevated premium location at Reedy Creek on the southern Gold Coast. To enable construction of the main 20-metre wide road reserve with a 20 kilopascal load, a retaining wall up to 7 metres was required to support the embankment. Council proposed a concrete crib wall to be constructed, which generally presents no problems. However, subsequent to a geotechnical investigation, the foundation profile revealed a 3.5 metre deep layer of soft clay, overlaying competent argillite material. The design proved to be relatively expensive and presented some constructability issues with the soft clay and the presence of groundwater. Concrib offered a different approach and engaged GeoInventions consulting services to provide an alternative solution. With some innovative thinking, GeoInventions offered a hybrid gravity crib and geogrid reinforced soil wall design, which was to be constructed on some foundation improvement. This innovative design addressed the issues of a high 20 kilopascal surcharge and offered a constructible design whilst delivering a cost-effective solution to the client. Category 1, JF Hull Holdings, Bridge Strike Protection Project, Annerley Road. The rail bridge over Annerley Road has a low clearance height of only 3.5 metres and has a history of being struck by overheight trucks. The project got top priority after a fatality involving a cyclist. Prior to entering the design phase, the design team, including Queensland Rail, Kellogg Brown and Root, and JF Hull Holdings, held workshops to define the key outcomes for the project. The resulting project consisted of the design and construction of 2 new protection beams either side of the bridge, perpendicular to the direction of travel. A collaborative approach led to innovative solutions, such as the individual pile cap footing design, welded splice beam design, and the column trial construction to verify intersection sight lines. With this coordinated approach, detailed planning of the works, and disciplined execution through delivery, JF Hull was able to deliver the project successfully and exceed all client and community expectations. The project has provided a safe and effective early prevention system to stop trucks hitting the railway bridge. Category 1, Offaly Civil Engineering Proprietary Limited, Gladstone Water Main. The Gladstone Ports Corporation required the installation of a new water main along Alpha Rock Drive to provide future services to the proposed commercial development area. The new water main creates a looped water feed to the marina and RG Tanner Coal Terminal, improving the water supply to these areas. Offaly Civil Engineering recognised the need to mitigate traffic disruption to RG Tanner Coal Terminal as one of the critical components of the pipeline installation. The cooling water channel crossing represented the highest interface with local traffic. The team found that the original method of joining the steel water main posed a range of safety, environmental and constructability concerns. Offaly's project staff, together with Gladstone Ports Corporation engineers, proposed to redesign the method of which the mild steel pipes were to be joined in order to overcome constructability complications. This methodology, along with careful and collaborative programming of works, almost completely eliminated the need for a crane and barge to install the pipeline.